Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Bolt scooter. First, download the Bolt app from your app store and set up your personal account. You will need to add a valid payment method, such as a credit card or mobile payment option, to your profile before you can begin. Once your account is ready, open the app and use the integrated map to find the nearest available Bolt scooter. They are usually found in convenient, high-traffic areas. To unlock your chosen scooter, simply open the Bolt app and use its built-in scanner to read the QR code located on the scooter's handlebars. The app will confirm the unlock, and you'll hear a small click. Before you start, give the scooter 2 or 3 good kicks to get some initial momentum. Then, gently press the throttle, usually on the right handlebar, to begin accelerating smoothly. Safety is paramount when riding a Bolt scooter. Always adhere to all local traffic laws, just as you would with a bicycle. Utilize designated bike lanes whenever they are available to you. Maintain a safe and respectful distance from both pedestrians on sidewalks and other vehicles on the road. For your protection, it is highly recommended to wear a helmet during your entire ride. Be aware of your surroundings at all times. When your journey is complete, open the Bolt app to locate a designated parking zone. These areas are clearly marked on the map. Park the scooter upright and ensure it does not obstruct pedestrian pathways or vehicle traffic. Once properly parked, confirm the end of your ride within the app. You might be prompted to take a photo of the scooter to verify correct parking. This ensures a smooth experience for the next rider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.